but I'm coming to thank Pastor. I was here 2 weeks ago with my child. I'm almost throwing out with a brick, and the eye was closed. And I come this Friday. I come here to this pastor and ask him just for a prayer for my little daughter because she was 2 years old, and this pastor was praying for my daughter. And also the doctor told me her eyes, she must come for further tests for the eye because there's going to be blood in her eye, and the swelling is not going to ease as possible. It's going to be after the stitches, and then the swelling is going to be out. And after the pastor prayed at night for my daughter, I'm very glad for this. I'm walking out of this door, me and my sister, and I call her, see how, look here. His eyes turning us out, it's open. I say, yes, it's true. In the night I came at home, I say, I'm asked to tell my husband, I come from this pastor, man. I'm overexcited, and I'm telling everybody in the street. I go to my mom, I go to my, yes, there's my mom, there's my sisters, there's to bring her husband, bring all the children to come, because I told everybody about this pastor who preached out of his heart for my daughter, and it was a miracle for me, because the next day everything was gone. Her eyes was open.
Hallelujah.